Join the NTCA training team at Coverings for proper handling and installation of large format glass panels. Glass tile is a popular choice for consumers, designers, and specifiers for both commercial and residential installations. Traditionally produced and offered in mosaic patterns, glass tile is becoming popular in larger formats. Recently, glass tile panels have been introduced in large formats, opening a whole new market opportunity for tile suppliers and installers. These products have similar characteristics to gauge porcelain tile panels in how they need to be handled and installed, but there are also some unique aspects to how they perform. It is essential that installers be properly trained and educated on these products. NTCA trainers and glass tile manufacturer representatives will provide examples of what this training entails in a session highlighting the key components of what is covered in these programs. Join us for all the ins and outs of this exciting opportunity if you're at Coverings, Tuesday, April 18th from 12:30 to 2 o'clock p.m. If you're unable to join us in Orlando at Coverings, then check our website where you can get more information about dates that we might be coming to a city near you. For more detailed information, go to www.tile-assn.com and click on Art Glass Panel Installation under the Training and Education tab.